There's one key factor to making your melodies sound full, and that is to fill all the frequencies. By filling all the octaves, what I mean is, you have the low, you have the middle, and you have the high. So low will be a bass, mid could be like a piano, a pad, high could be, a piano played really high up, or it could be a flute, a violin, guitar. The main thing that will make it sound full is when you give each layer, each sound a purpose to fill one of these octaves or frequency ranges. So let me give you an example of a melody I made and I'll break it down for you. First thing I started off was with the chords. The chords are going to take up like the low mid to low range, and you can see that on the EQ right here. It's mainly at low mid area, a little bit of bass but mainly low mid. So then the next layer I added was this counter melody slash melody, and this is going to take up the high and the high mids. And if we look on the EQ, you can see that that's true. Mids to high mids. It just fills in where the chords aren't. So I wanted to make it a little bit thicker, so I added this pad which basically fills in everything. If you look on the EQ, it fills in everything. But it's mainly like audible in like the high to mid range, so it doesn't really clash with the lower chords too much. Now if we play it together and look in the EQ, you can see everything's filled out and it looks quite thick.